Yeah, only get here. Do you go to the train station?
Kind of. You want to get off of King Street.
Is that just next to train station?
Yes, it's just sort of. I'll stop there and point you in the right direction.
Great, thank you. I've not been on a B7TL in ages. Hey yo, I fit. Hey yo, I actually fit on these.
Reese is carpeted on the top.
So.
Not so nice.
Whoa. Oh. Oh dear. There's a melted chocolate problem on the seat. There's melted chocolate on the seat, so that might be a bit of a
no-go.
Yes.
You stop swearing like that. Stressing me out, man.
This is so nice.
And this doesn't wobble like it did.
It feels just like an old coach. Without the recline. But yeah, wait a minute. This seat is spec for to be reclined. They just don't know the button. You see this button? Yeah. It's a recline button. Yes. It's supposed to be a recline button, but they just don't. They don't. So the seat is packed to be able to be reclined. Just they don't know to be able to be reclined. 3 hours on that one way.
What, to Scarborough?
Yep.
Reese, can you go to the playhouse?
Huh?
I want to go to the playhouse.
We don't have time.
I'm
recording, remember?
Oh no, well I forgot. I do. Because I can pause time.
Oh, yeah.
And I suppose if Sunday's your day off, you can stay in bed or whatever. And if they're single, they probably do.
Oh my gosh. Look, my brother in the scooter. Okay. Right now. Now watch.
Right.